Netizen, back with me again. I Juga Utama Putrada. I am your lecturer for Parallel and Distributed Systems. We have reached a new meeting, which is meeting 9. In meeting 9, we are discussing about parallel programming model, and in the first video, we are going to talk about parallel paradigms. Let's start this video. So, uh, to remind you, we are learning about parallel systems, and what we have learned in the last meeting is we have learned about the introduction. So you know a little now about parallel systems, and now in this new meeting we are going to talk about parallel models. And so just so you get the big picture, next week we are going to talk about design. And when we talk about design, it is easily to explain that designing is how to create a parallel system. So this is more simple to explain. So next week we are going to learn how to create a parallel system, and then by learning that in parallel models, we are going to teach you that there are many types of ways to program parallel program. So there is way 1, and there is way 2, etc. And in the next weeks, we are going to teach you each way to program. So this week we are going to tell you the ways of programming a parallel system. So this week we are here. You are here. Just like that. So a parallel model paradigm is how you program your parallel system. Here, how you model it is based on what problem. Here we are going to divide the problems into two parts. First problem is how you see the memory. So there is the memory problem, and there's the programming problem. And in memory problem, there are two types of memory in programming a parallel system. The first is the memory is distributed, and the second is the memory is centralized. So by differentiating these two, we come to different types of programming models. And in programming, there are also two ways to program your parallel system. First is by dividing the task, and secondly is by dividing the data. And we have actually learned this little in the last video. This is related to Twin's taxonomy, so it will be more familiar to you to explain. And in the next video, we are going to learn about this, and specifically we are going to start learning about this centralized memory. So that is the end of the first video. In this video, we have tried to explain, tried to learn about what is parallel systems model. In the next video, we are going to learn about two types of parallel system models based on the memory distribution. Thank you for your attention, and meet you in the next video.